And check this out. I have got 2 transmitters, 2 receivers, 4 doorbells. So from SadoTech, this is super awesome. Thanks a lot to Thrasio for sending these out for free and for sponsoring this video. These are expandable wireless doorbells. So if you have a problem like I do, where my doorbell doesn't work because I have a kind of an intercom system that's actually not working right now, my doorbells don't work either. So you can use these as doorbells that are easy to install. 2 receivers, you can put those at 2 different doors or wherever. And then you've got these, I guess these would be your transmitters, and then these are the receivers. You can plug these in inside of your front door. You can take another one upstairs. I'm going to use one in the basement because I can never hear the doorbell if the mail comes. So anyway, you get some stickers like padding that you can stick to the back of this, and then you stick to the wall outside of your door. And then also there's mounting options as well for screwing them into wood. So anyway, let's check this out right here. We're just going to plug this in right here. Just like that. You plug in that, and you take this, and boom. Now, there are some adjustments on here for sound, for volume. So different levels. Okay, different levels, and then also I think there's 52 different sounds, different ringers. So you can just press that button. That button's right there on the side. There's the volume button and then the ringer button. So let's go through some of the ringers you can see. Definitely a lot to choose from. Some simple, some annoying, some short, and some long. So definitely a bunch to choose from. Once you set it, what the heck is that one? Okay, once you set that bell, now all you do is press the button. Oh, actually you got to save it in there first. I forgot. So it goes back to the original one right there. But anyway, that is how that works. And if you want surround sound, you can actually plug both of these in because they are connected. So there you go. That's what it'll sound like. And you can put those at any outlet that you want. So definitely check this out. This is from SadoTech. Highly recommend expanded wireless doorbell kit. And this is going to be super, super helpful.